we all have freedom of choice and expression. अब जबकि आजकल तो पहले बहुत चल रहा था ना, फ्रीडम फ्रीडम फ्रीडम, अभी सब चुपचाप घर में बैठे हैं, मांगो फ्रीडम. ठीक है, इंटरनेशनली बैठ गए हैं. What yogis used to do, they were doing it, this boycott of social distancing and all, because I've been traveling to Himalayas, I've been studying about how the ancient yogis were working. I was in an ashram, so this was a normal thing. This is not new surprise. To be quarantined, to be doing that self-analysis, योग में हम एक शब्द use करते हैं स्वाध्याय. This is a normal part of life, and you need it. Okay, there are some of you might have attended some retreats, Vipassana किसी ने किया होगा. Again, 10 days is self-quarantine. You don't talk to anybody, you don't eat a lot of food. What is it? It's all about going inward. So I think those of you who are having that trouble, you need to go a little deeper. And these sessions are helping those people. Last 3 weeks, I've organized over 3 retreats, जहाँ पे हमें अलग-अलग तरह के लोग मेरे पास आए all over India and even outside India. And एक चीज़ हमने सीखी कि how to know yourself, अपने आप को कैसे जानना है. And I teach people how to know yourself at cellular level. Okay, how many of you know me or don't know me, better word, how many of you don't know me? Who is Sumit Upriti? Have you not seen my website and all? Because you are here after my invitation. So yes, I value your time, I value my time, and because we value each other time, we're going to learn a lot of things in the next 2 hours for the next 2 days. Okay, and it's 11:10. We're going to finish exactly on time. Yoga is all about discipline, right? I started the music exactly 10 minutes before. I'm online exactly 11 because we respect time. If you don't respect your time, especially Indian philosophy, sorry, time will not respect you. That's why I teach all my students, respect the time, respect the money you're spending and the time you're spending into diseases. Respect it, because this life is not meant to be diseased. This life is meant to be living a super healthy. One thing my teacher says, my guru says in the ashram, health and happiness are your birthright. Reclaim them through yoga. Now, this is a very, very, very deep statement. It doesn't just come to make you happy. It's like health and happiness are your birthright. आपका जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है स्वस्थ रहना. All the animals, look at all the animals, they're enjoying in nature. I'm a mountaineer, professional mountaineer. I go to nature, I go to mountains, I go to jungles, and I see everyone is so happy. Everyone is so healthy. And we are running after hospitals, we are running after doctors, spending over 40 to 50% of our annual income is going there. People who are into chronic diseases. And every day we are moving towards that. Don't you realize this quarantine? What is the global pandemic we are creating out of fear? Who is going to benefit the most? Tell me, which industry is surviving the most today? Type in the comment box. Which industry is going to survive the most, even in everything is closed down? There's one industry, write the name. Right, Rahul Singh said pharma, health, online education. See, सबसे पहले तो health रहेगा ना. आप online education आप आओ ना, उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. That is your choice. That is a choice you make. But what is being forced onto you is to buy masks, is to get a test done, which costs in India 4,000, 5,000 rupees, which were costing. Even if now government has made it free, you're not paying it, but taxpayers are paying it. Who's a taxpayer? No alien is a taxpayer, right? You are a taxpayer. आप में से कितने लोगों का salary cut हुआ है? My father's salary got cut, See, I can see Ravi raising hand. How much salary on an average, Ravi, you're cutting? Ravi is a bank employee, okay? He's a branch manager. So how much salary you're cutting for your employees? Tell us. Let's get financial also, and then we come to the yoga and why we need to look at yoga. मैं ये सब बातें क्यों कर रहा हूँ? कोई लोग सोच रहे हैं क्या बोल रहा है? Then I will connect the dots for you. Okay, so on an average, how much salary are you guys cutting on an average, percentage-wise? I'm not asking your salary. Is it 20%, 30%? What do you see happening in the next few days? So let me ask Ravi. Okay, let me quickly unmute. Yes, Ravi, please go ahead.
Yeah, as an immediate measure, minimum 1 day salary of all 17,000 employees has been donated to PM Cares Fund. And thereafter, as a second phase, then the link is being opened where it's left to the individuals to donate any amount per se, which could be, say, up to 15 days or a 13 days salary, 30 days salary also.
Yeah, see, senior level employees can, be okay, but junior level employees, it's very difficult to even give 20% of your salary because we all have so many expenses, right? So one thing you need to understand, thank you, Ravi, for that little bit of input. And you donated your salary, or you were forced to take 1 day salary?
No. I have been donating it always.
Yes. So that's another important part, okay, now I also get salary. Okay. I get salary from all of you people now. When I left my job 3 years back, I started getting funds from people like you donating me. I'm giving my services as a healthcare service to everyone, and people give me money for my services. Now I'm taking it online because I'm on a mission to help 100,000 people. I want everyone to know the science I learned in ashram and how I healed my body, how I cured my diseases. And after that, it's been 3 years now that I've been traveling around the country, organizing retreats, working with NGOs, helping so many people become healthy. Okay, and initially it was 1-to-1. It was on a small group because I was focused more on giving personalized therapies that makes you more a better therapist. Now I realized after like 3-4 months back, I realized that I need to take it a bigger level. I cannot continue helping just 5, 10, 15 people in a month. What if I can set a target of 1 lakh people? Isn't it a big target, right? But it is possible, and we are already doing it. Last 3 weeks, we've already reached around 30-35 people. And these people have been giving their feedback on my Facebook page. You have to check out if you have not checked out. Check the transformation which is happening. So it's not something I'm going to teach you regular yoga here. Those who are new, who do not understand what I'm going to teach, I'm going to be teaching you something beyond yoga as an exercise. I'm going to be teaching you yoga as a lifestyle. Okay. So when I say yoga as a lifestyle, what do you mean by that? Type, what is a lifestyle? Health. Is it the only lifestyle you need? Do you only want to be disease-free? That's the only thing? It's not the goal of yoga. The ashram, मैं क्या सुबह से शाम तक सिर्फ एक्सरसाइज कर रहा था 6 महीने तक? आपको ये लगता है 5 बजे से रात के 8:30 9 बजे तक? What do you think? I was just doing physical postures. Okay, Sujata is saying peace of mind, body. Okay, it requires every day. It is required every day like food. Yes, Rachna. So yoga is. पहले लेट्स क्लियर द डेफिनेशन ना, वहीं से शुरू करते हैं ना, हम क्यों कंफ्यूजन करें. सो व्हाट इज योगा? संस्कृत वर्ड का मीनिंग बताओ. चलो बचपन बंद कर देना, संधि विच्छेद करो. बताइए. योग. योगा तो होता ही नहीं. पहले तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन ठीक करो. योग बोलो सब. योग. आज से हम उसको योगा नहीं बोलेंगे. इट्स अ वेस्टर्न वर्ड. ओके, इट्स योग. ठीक है. योग मीन्स, वरुण ने लिखा है वेरी गुड, यूनियन. अब यूनियन का क्या मतलब होता है? Discipline, consistency, balance, Manas is saying, है ना? So, yes. तो वर्ड हम जो लिखेंगे वो रहेगा YOG, योग. एंड उसका डेफिनेशन एक सिंपल मीनिंग समझते हैं आज. यूनियन तो आता है लेकिन हमारे माइंड पे नहीं जाता. तो लेट्स विजुअलाइज इट. जब हम लुक एट दिस नाउ, करके देखो ये. व्हाट इज इट? दिस इज नॉट योग. This is clashing. When it is going and merging, it is yoga. Now आपके अंदर एक अलग पावर आ जाता है. ठीक है. तो this is even you see Christianity we do this prayering. It increases your body energy. हमारे हाथों में अलग अलग जब हम टचिंग करते हैं तो we create mudras. सब जब हम नमस्कार करते हैं तो it's called नमस्कार मुद्रा. Okay. So it's basically our hand have energies. And we are uniting those energies. उन दोनों को unite कर रहे हैं तो उन दोनों को योग में ला रहे हैं. Make sense? Okay? That's why it's called Namaskar Mudra. And mudras are the simplest way to balance your body energies, to create energy. बहुत सारी मुद्रास होती हैं. This is the simplest मुद्रा जो हमारे ऋषि मुनि ने हमको दी कि आप यही कर लो सबसे पहले. तो सबको जिसको मिलो उसको नमस्कार करो. बोलो भी और फील भी करो. फिर बोलना नहीं है, या फिर आजकल तो फैंसी बन गया ना. ओके, ठीक है. बट फीलिंग का है. विदाउट फीलिंग, एक्शंस विदाउट फीलिंग आर वर्थलेस. आप किसी को बोल रहे हो कि आई रिस्पेक्ट यू अ लॉट, बट यू डोंट रियली फील इट. डू यू थिंक दैट रिस्पेक्ट रियली गोज टू दैट पर्सन? Okay, so yes, Varun is saying, Varun, you want to speak something? Go ahead. Do you feel respected when somebody says you, okay, uncle ji namaste, or uncle ji namaskar, aap kaise hain? है ना? So there's a difference. This difference I want to teach you in yoga. So don't treat yoga as a physical exercise. I'd say treat yoga as a science, as an energy. और आप किस भावना से उसको करोगे, That is going to give you results, not the number of techniques and the number of repetition you do. So people think कि सूर्य नमस्कार कर लिया मैंने तो आज 5 किए थे, कल देखो मैं 3 दिन के अंदर 25 करके दिखाऊं, उसके बाद मेरे को 60 राउंड करने हैं, एंड देन किसी ने कंपटीशन करा है 108 बार करेंगे, वो तो बहुत ही अच्छा नंबर होता है, उससे कुछ मैजिक हो जाएगा बॉडी में. प्लीज 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 डोंट डू दैट. लुक एट योर कैपेसिटी. ठीक है, अगर मेरे पेट में इतनी सी जगह है, मैं उसमें 5 रोटी ठूस दूंगा, डजंट मीन आई एम अ बेटर देन समबडी जो ऑलरेडी बहुत भागता है, दौड़ता है, कूदता है, खेलता है, मैं उसको वो 5 रोटी खा रहा है. ठीक है, सो देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. वी ऑल हैव डिफरेंट कैपेसिटीज, वी ऑल डिपेंडिंग हमने कितना अपने आप को ट्रेन किया है. मेक सेंस? सो योगा इज नॉट अ कॉम्पिटिशन, योगा इज अ जर्नी. You start from zero. हर चीज की शुरुआत जीरो से होती है. आप जब छोटे पैदा हुए थे जीरो से शुरू हुए थे ना. अब 1, 2 साल, 5 साल हो गया. अब कोई 2 साल का बच्चा सोचेगा अरे भाई ये 50 साल का है, मेरे को उसके जैसे काम करना है. उसको 50 साल का अनुभव है. ठीक है, उसका शरीर बड़ा है, उसकी कैपेसिटी ज्यादा है, एनर्जी का सर्कुलेशन ज्यादा है. तो 2 साल का बच्चा और 50 साल के बच्चे में फर्क होगा. बट योगा में हमें लगता है कि नहीं, आई कैन डू इट. सुमित जो कर रहा है मैं भी करूंगा. सुमित ने 6 महीने आश्रम लगाया, 3 साल हो गए उसको, लेकिन फर्स्ट डे में ही मैं पूरा बेंड कर दूंगा. आज फॉरवर्ड बेंड हो जाएगा मेरे से. और क्या होगा फिर? स्पाइनल इंजरी, उल्टा 1-2 डिस्क और निकल जाएगी अभी तक जो ठीक थी. So never do yoga without a guidance. पहली चीज, one tip for all of you. ठीक है, which I see biggest problem in IT company. वहाँ पे भी योगा टीचर को बुला लेते हैं जिसने खुद एक like यूनिवर्सिटी कोर्स बन गए हैं योगा. One of the biggest challenges now yoga is becoming commercial. जब हम commercial level पे आ जाते हैं तो क्या हो रहा है, हम अपने philosophy को भूलते जा रहे हैं, and it just become a money making thing. उसमें क्या होता है फिर? The damage of that is I will want more customers because I have to pay rent for my studio, right? I cannot pay rent for my studio if it is 30,000, 40,000 rupees a month. That is one of the big reason I never opened a studio. 3 years I did not open a studio, although there were so many requests. Why don't you start it? Because it's going to be making me a customer relationship, and I don't want that. I was organizing retreat. I was working with other NGOs just because I don't want to have that liability of paying rent, so that now I need customer, 40 customer के बिना नहीं होगा. I don't want that. Then क्या होता है? Customer become demanding. अरे मेरे को तो ये वाली प्रॉब्लम है, जल्दी से ठीक कर दो. कितने दिन में कर दोगे? 1 महीने में ठीक हो जाएगी? आपने डिजीज बनाई थी 30 साल में, आप उसको 1 महीने में योगा करके ठीक करना चाहते हो, एंड यू वांट टू गिव मी 500,000 रुपीज फॉर दैट. डिजीज बनाने में आपने 4, 5, 10 साल की बहुत कड़ी मेहनत लगाई है ना. And now you want to cure it in 1 month, 2 months, and you start giving orders to the teacher now. Look at the way we are changing. पहले गुरु शिष्य को ऑर्डर देता था. ठीक है, आश्रम में जब मैं था, पहले we are like this in front of the guru. Even we were not sitting at the same level. We were always sitting on the ground and the guru sitting on a chair or something. This was a level of thing which happens in ashram and was a tradition earlier, ancient time में. Now it becomes, I have paid you money. You have to ठीक करो me. 1 दिन में अगर ठीक नहीं हुआ तो तुम देखना. Somebody even asked me, do you give money back guarantee? I was like, what? Money back guarantee? I'm giving you 1-2 hour of my valuable time. Nobody pays me salary like you're getting salary from your company. And then you want money back guarantee from yoga? And so this is crazy. I don't want such people in my community. So those of you have that mindset, you can leave immediately. No money back guarantee. What I can give you guarantee is like if you follow my process for the next 30 days, for the next 3 months, there are different levels of therapies which happen, okay? I can help you live a super healthy life. I can help you live a disease-free life. I've cured my diseases. I have been helping hundreds of other people now. We have got a lot of testimonies of transformation in the last few days only, just 3 weeks. 3 weeks back, I started my first workshop during the Navratras. The first day of the Navratra was one of the very auspicious days for me, and a lot of people started learning the science from me. One belief that yes, I knew all of these people are going to heal, and they believed in me, and we just went together and transformations happened. So yes, when you give respect to yoga as a science, when you understand the techniques, not just as a physical level, but energy level, which I'll be teaching all of you, you get results, and you get tremendous results. And don't treat yoga from only health perspective. This is why when you see the cosmic abundance hub, ब्रह्मांड में कॉस्मिक एनर्जी का अबंडेंस है. अबंडेंस किसको समझ आता है? टाइप द मीनिंग ऑफ अबंडेंस. लेट्स सी. क्या डेफिनेशन है आपके माइंड में अबंडेंस की? देयर इज नो राइट एंड रॉन्ग डेफिनेशन. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय अबंडेंस? लिमिटलेस, Varun is saying. Okay, let me see this. Okay, plentiful. Rahul saying plentiful. Sujata, Asim. Ramjot is saying प्रचुरता. Ramjot इसका मीनिंग मुझे नहीं पता. Okay, प्रचुरता. Okay, infinite, unlimited. Tushar is infinity. More than needed is Lavanya. Okay, available in sufficient amount, limitless. So one of the few words which I would like is Anant. You know, that Hindi word is really so intense. It is not infinity. It is, मतलब इंग्लिश में वो बात ही नहीं आती है जो अनंत में आती है. ठीक है, वो infinite doesn't really resonate with me that deep. I understand the logical meaning, but that connection, emotional connection, comes with that Sanskrit words with me. Maybe because of my training to the ashram. वो जब अनंत के साथ आप जुड़ते हो तो जो आपका विस्तार होता है, that is abundance, that is योग. वो अनंत के साथ जुड़ना is योग. याद रहेगा सबको डेफिनेशन ऑफ. आज के बाद मुझे कोई नहीं बोलेगा योगा इज इक्वल टू एक्सरसाइज. सो प्लीज टीच मी 5 एक्सरसाइज फॉर माय बैक पेन और डायबिटीज और हार्ट प्रॉब्लम. ओके, या आज के बाद आपको मुझे बोलना है, सुमित कैन यू हेल्प मी कनेक्ट विद द अनंत. और जब वो आप अनंत से जुड़ना शुरू हो जाओगे तो आपके सारे फिजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स तो खत्म हो ही जाएंगे. मेंटल इश्यूज, स्ट्रेस क्रिएट हो रहा है हमारे जॉब्स में रह के आजकल, जो इमोशनल ups and downs we go in the life because of our relationships, because of our thought process or the past traumas and the trainings जो हमने दिए हैं बॉडी को अभी तक, जितनी भी हमने प्रॉब्लम्स क्रिएट करी हैं अपनी लाइफ में, वो they are stored in our memory. Through the classical yoga, through the cosmic energies, my intention is to help you all release those emotions. Are you getting it? Okay, my intention is not to cure your छोटे मोटे डिजीज जो आपने बड़े बना रखे हैं या जो फार्मा कंपनी ने बड़े बना रखे हैं आपके लिए. ठीक है, बीपी के मेडिसिन खा रहे हैं, शुगर के मेडिसिन खा रहे हैं, यू डोंट नीड दैट. आई कैन मेक चैलेंज यू विद इन नेक्स्ट 10 days. इफ यू जॉइन द प्रोग्राम आई विल मेक यू लीव एवरीथिंग. ओके, विद इन 10 days हो चुका है. देयर आर पीपल, मे बी आई विल आस्क देम इफ दे कैन शेयर देयर स्टोरीज. they were taking 10 years तक मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं, बीपी शुगर. The day they started cosmic breathing, the day they changed their diet patterns, the day they changed their mindset, they got rid of completely. Now उसके बाद ये नहीं कि दवाई छोड़ के बैठ जाना है. You have to continue the science. You have to continue the yoga medicine as an energy medicine. So treat yoga as a science of energy and treat the therapies as an energy medicine. Then it is a different level of thinking. फिर आपको क्या होगा, आप 24/7 automation में आ जाओगे. Okay, 24/7 you will be like, okay, now I am connected. And आपको फर्क पता चलेगा जब आप कनेक्टेड हो या डिसकनेक्टेड हो. इट्स लाइक अ चार्जर. आप मोबाइल कनेक्ट करते हो, है ना, हर रोज सुबह घर से निकलने से पहले. देन यू विल लाइक, अगर आज मैंने बैटरी चार्ज नहीं किया अपना, इफ आई एम नॉट कनेक्ट, मैंने अपने आप को अनंत से नहीं जोड़ा है, you will feel incomplete that day and you will realize it. Those who are already doing it might already be feeling कि मैं जिस दिन नहीं कर रहा हूँ, जिस दिन लेट कर रहा हूँ. It's like taking a bath. जिस दिन आप नहा के नहीं जाते हो, अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना, यू फील अनकंफर्टेबल. होता है कि नहीं होता है? या वैसे ही होगा जिस दिन आप अपना योगा प्रैक्टिस. योगा डजंट टेक 30 minutes, 1 hour, 5 hour, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. यू कैन डू योग in 2 minutes. You can do yoga in 5 minutes. You can do yoga in 30 minutes. You can do yoga in 2 hours. You can do yoga in 24 hours. What do you want is what the universe is asking. That's why मैंने बोला अनंत है, भंडार है ऊर्जा का. Cosmos are infinite. हम तो छोटे से पृथ्वी में रहते हैं, ठीक है, अनंत है. So if you want to learn that science, if you want to learn that, you're at the right place at the right time, because this is the golden time in the history of the world. Okay, golden time that you can invest in yourself. All right.